Hey, I'm Travis Street with CTS Multifamily IT Solutions, and we are here at Apartmentalize in sunny San Diego. One of the things I like about visiting these events is the fact that you get to really check out and see what all the cool amenity vendors are that are here and see potential technologies that we can offer our clients and help them with any new renovations or new construction developments. When we go to these events like this, we always like to go around and look and see who the vendors are and kind of highlight them as well. So let's go ahead and check out and see some cool stuff. So another vendor I'd like to highlight today is a company called Dwelo. Dwelo is one of several vendors in the smart home space, and what's unique about them is that they actually offer a fully managed smart apartment experience for all of your residents. And the way it works is that you actually pay a flat monthly fee per apartment, and what they do is they put in a box that integrates into the apartment itself, and that is your smart box. And so it gives your residents the ability to connect all of their smart devices in their apartment. For communities where you have a lot of potential tenants that want to live somewhere that they have the ability to use smart devices, this is really the best one that I've seen that's out there right now. It's pretty cost effective from a price points perspective, and it's easy to manage too. One thing I always try to suggest to our clients is to pick technologies that's not going to make the leasing staff have to deal with it all the time. That's the last thing they want to do, is have to have residents calling, hey, I need help with this or I need help with that. And the nice thing about Dwelo is that they manage it all and they make it really easy, and they really give the residents a really good experience. So highly suggest you check them out. You can always visit our website at ctsmultifamily.com, reach out to us, and we'll connect you with them.